So in this video, I want to talk about 4 side hustles for 2023 that really no one is talking about. And when we think about side hustles, we're always thinking about methods to make money on the side. But if you search for side hustles on YouTube, you're going to find a bunch of videos and they're going to give you all these methods for making $5, $10, $15 per day, which is, still better than $0 per day. But if you really want to make some money, then you need side hustles that are going to generate you at least $1,000 per month at the very minimum in side income. Now, this is why I'm going to be talking about these 4 methods, because here you can make hundreds of dollars per day and even thousands in some cases. And these are realistic ways of making money on the side. So that said, let's jump right into the first method of making money. Now, the first way of making money is going to be by creating your own ebook. And this is actually really simple and really easy. And what you could do here is you could create an ebook on anything that you know a lot about, right? So for example, I'm a YouTuber. I know a lot about making money on YouTube. So I could go out here and I could put the skills that I learned into an ebook teaching people how to make money on YouTube. Now, similarly, if you know a lot about any particular topic or subject, then you can create an ebook on that, and then you can list that ebook on Amazon, and then you can make money. Now, even if you don't know what to create your ebook on, but you have just the general idea, you can use tools like ChatGPT and AI to help you create this ebook. So we could go over to ChatGPT and we could say, ChatGPT, create an ebook on making money online. And so ChatGPT is now going to help us create this ebook because we already knew the general topic of what we wanted our ebook to be on, but we just didn't know where to get the content from. So for example, here ChatGPT is generating a response and it's giving us the title, The Ultimate Guide to Making Money Online. Now I'll say, probably don't do this because you can't really verify if this information is correct. I mean, some of it may be, but you definitely can use tools like this to give you like a base of what you want to be doing, or to give you a general idea of how you want to structure your ebook, even if you have all the info yourself. So that's going to be the #1 way of making money. Now, the second part of this is actually monetizing your ebook, because yes, you can create the ebook, but if you don't actually sell it, then what was the purpose in the first place, right? So to monetize your ebook, you need to either 1, create a website. That's going to be a bit difficult, but the second and the easiest way to pull this off is by joining one of these websites like Gumroad, for example. And here, all they charge is a flat 10% fee when you sell your ebook. Now, the way how this works is that you go onto Gumroad, you upload your ebook, you give it a price, you upload the content, and then you can list it for sale. Gumroad will give you a custom link that goes directly to your ebook. And then you can take this ebook and you can start marketing it. You can put it on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. You can even run Google ads for your ebook. But this is where people are going to be able to find your ebook and use their credit cards or their PayPal accounts to pay you for this ebook. Now, Gumroad only charges you a 10% flat fee, which is great. And basically, you don't have to pay for this service. Everything is free. You only pay once you make a sale. So this makes it really easy to get your ebook out there and to start making sales. Now, Gumroad isn't the only platform that you can use. You can use another one like Payhip, for example. This is what I personally use because I like the features a bit more. But for example, this is my Pro Resume Templates kit right here, selling for $14.99. And basically all I did was I created the content, I uploaded it here, I created my cover art, and then I listed it for sale. I gave it a description, and now people can click on this direct link and it will take them to this page where they can purchase the Pro Resume templates. I get paid, I pay my fees, and that's it. It's also completely free. So this is how you can easily create your ebook this year and how you can start making money. Now, before we dive into the second method of making money that no one is really talking about, just a quick reminder here, guys, if you are new to the channel, my name is Eann. On this channel, I talk about ways to make money, ways to save money, ways to invest your money, bank accounts, credit cards, jobs, just everything personal finance related. So if you like these videos and you like these types of topics, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. I'll really appreciate it. It's 100% free. Also, be sure to subscribe with the notifications on. That way you never miss the updates of when I post new videos. And if you guys ever want to talk to me one-on-one about these methods or just about anything else, you can message me on Instagram. The link is down below in the description or here on the screen. But let's get into the second method of making money online that no one is really talking about in 2023. Now, the second method is going to be by creating your own subscription box. And basically what a subscription box is, it's a service that people sign up for, and once a month or once a week, you can choose how frequently, they'll get like this surprise box of goodies. Now, I will say that this particular industry is a bit saturated because a lot of people are doing the same thing, which is like clothes and food. So if you try doing that stuff, then maybe you won't make any money. It'll be really difficult. However, if you get into a specialty, then that's where the money is. Now, you can find this by going on a website like Create Joy, and this is where you can host your subscription box service. So what you want to do, you want to come here and you want to look at like food and drink right here, and then you could go to the specialty section, and let's click on keto, for example. And here you can see that people are paying a lot of money for these keto subscription box services. Now, this diet is something that people are currently raving about, and so people are willing to spend a lot of money for their health. And so these niche markets are what you want to get into because this is where the money is. Now, we can click on the first one. For example, this is a 3-month subscription box. It's $44.95. This is how much you'd pay. And this is what they do, right? So basically it's keto related snacks and food. And so if you're on one of these diets, you're going to find yourself in a position where you're trying to figure out what you should eat that will keep you in your diet. And that is going to be hard. So it's really nice to have one of these subscription box services where every single month or once a week, they send you a box with new or different meals or different snacks that are within your diet. And this way it's a lot easier to stick to your diet. And this is why people are spending so much money on these subscription box services. And if we scroll down here, we can see that for this particular subscription box service, there were a lot of verified purchases and people were really happy with their purchases. So you can create something like this, just make sure that it's in a niche or a specialty market or segment, and that way you can actually make a lot of money from your subscription service. So this is the second way that you can make money in 2023. You can do this from home and no one is really talking about this stuff. Now, the third way to make money is another really good way, and this is by reselling from AliExpress. Now, I may have mentioned this before in some of my other videos, but basically you want to go on AliExpress and you want to find some product. It doesn't really matter what it is, but you want to find it at a price where you can flip it on eBay or Amazon. So for example, here is a silicone strap for your Apple Watch. And when I bought my Apple Watch at the Apple Store and I tried to get like a replacement band or extra bands, they were selling for over $10 just for one. So I went to Amazon and I was able to buy one for slightly less. So for example, you could come on Amazon, you could search for this stuff and you could find one for, you know, like $7.99, $8. And this way you're getting a deal. However, if you go to AliExpress, you're getting the same thing or a very similar product for a whole lot less. So here you can get it for $1.81. And on Amazon, you can sell it for $7.99 or probably even $6.99 to try to beat this person and get that market share. And you can also sell this on eBay. But the point is, you want to find something that people are really interested in, something that people want to buy a lot of. And you come here on AliExpress, you find the product, and then you can flip it on Amazon or eBay or some other website. Now, this is something that you can pull off completely remotely. You don't have to go anywhere. This is completely online, and you can do this from wherever you are in the world. Now, number 4 on the list is not remote. You'll actually have to physically do stuff, and this is by pet sitting, right? So with pet sitting, for example, here in Tampa, Florida, the average hourly rate to pet sit a cat or a dog is $11.50 per hour. Now, if you think about this, $11.50 per hour is not a lot of money, but if you're pet sitting, then more than likely you're gonna have multiple pets at once, right? So depending on how much space you have at home, you can do 3 or 4 pets or even more depending on how much space you have. And also if you have like a friend or family members to help you with your pet sitting. So $11.50 per hour is great per pet because if you have 5 pets, then that's over $50 per hour, which is a lot of money for working from home. Now, to start pet sitting, you could sign up on a website like Rover, for example, and on Rover, you can see that people here are charging like $37 per night, $35 per night, $30 per night, and this is to pet sit. Now this is per pet. So imagine having, 3 or 4 or 5 pets and you're pet sitting per hour or per night. You can actually make a great deal of money here. And also you can join Rover and you can advertise your services as well. So you can actually go, you get started and basically you sign up with your Google or your Facebook, or you can create your own account here. But basically Rover is giving you the platform. You can set your own schedule and your own prices for pet sitting. You can offer any amount of pet services that you want to offer. You can also set the type of pets that you want to pet sit, whether it's the type, whether it's dogs, cats, birds, fishes, whatever it is, the size, the age, and all the preferences that work best for you. So it's not a case where you're going to be pet sitting and people are just going to randomly show up with, different types of pets for you to pet sit. You actually get to choose the type of pets that you want to be sitting. And here they have thousands of people using Rover, so you'll definitely be able to find people who want to use your pet sitting services. So these are 4 really simple, 4 really easy ways of making money in 2023 that not a lot of people are talking about. And these are the side hustles that you want to get into, because these are the side hustles that have the potential for a lot of upside and can make you a lot of money very quickly. So forget about doing all the surveys and all the other side hustles that only make you $5 to $10 per day. Choose some or all of these side hustles right here, and you could be making thousands of dollars every single week. So that said, comment down below. Let me know what you think about my side hustles for 2023. Let me know if you've ever tried any of these before or if you'll be trying them now. And as always, all the best. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys very soon in the next one.